Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular JCB over here. So let's start detailing this part over here. So let's go into this. Let's go into the side view over here. I'll slightly just push this out and slightly adjust this elements over here. Now again I'll go into this. I'll again take a cylinder over here. I'll activate the auto grid option. I'll just push this out over here. I'll increase its height and I'll reduce the sides over here. I'll make it very less. The same way we'll be doing the same thing over here also. So select the polygon over here. So let's select this polygons. So select this all polygons and slightly just extrude this out. So select the vertices again, adjust this and this. So once this is done, over here I'll just shuffle this and let's make a copy of it over here. I'll slightly rotate it and this way. So now again go over here. So we need to slightly push this over here like this and slightly I'll tilt it over here in this way. So we can just adjust it accordingly. So now after that we can again go over here. Again I'll take a line over here. I'll off this auto grid part. So what I can do over here is like I'll just select this. I'll slightly shuffle this down in this way, adjust it accordingly. Push this up. Again take a line tool. I'll off the auto grid and let's just drag it over here in this way. So select this. So I'll just go over here, select this part. Push it a bit inside. Select this. Push it a bit inside. So what I'm doing over here is like I'm just adjusting this. So we can just slightly adjust this all elements. Okay. So select this. Let's go into this. Slightly increase its thickness and increase its a bit length over here and just push this over here in this way. So I'll again go over here, I'll put one refine. So select this and I'll slightly give a bit of smooth over here. Select this and push this inside of this. So this can be managed in this way. That can be done. So the same way, again I'll duplicate it. I'll just place this over here. So let's again take a cylinder I'll activate this, shuffle this, push this over here, make a copy of it. That's it. Just save the file. Now if you want to generate some of the details over here, I can just go over here and I can just select this, slightly select all this polygons over here. So just select this polygons, and now let's give a bit of bevel over here. Now what I can do over here is like, so we'll do some changes in this way. Alright, now this looks much better. So whatever minute things are left, okay. So now we have some wiring stuff over here. So let's again take a line tool over here. I'll off this auto grid. I'll go over here like this and this way, and make it as radial. Slightly increase its thickness over here. Push it inside a bit. So again go over here, put one more refine, shuffle it inside. Alright. I think the maximum details we have generated for this back part. Okay, there are some wiring stuff over here. Again take a line and just push it till here, shuffle it in this way, shuffle it up if required. I'll push this down. Again take a copy of it. So how many copies you need, you can just take that number of copies for that. So it's just going to be visible from here in this way. I'll just save the file again. Now over here we do have one more. So let's again take a copy of it. Let's slightly just place it over here in this way. Again let's go into this view, slightly just place it over here. That's it. Alright. So just save your file over here. Now let's go over here into the front part a bit. Let's slightly adjust this. Okay. Let's take a box over here. Let's create a box. Push this. Okay. Push this down till here. Slightly increase its height a bit over here. So just keep on adjusting this. Now convert to editable poly. Select this edges, slightly just push this behind a bit over here, and again I'll go into the vertices and slightly shuffle it in this way. So we can just slightly keep on adjusting this stuff over here. Again, go over here. Let's take a box, activate the auto grid. Just push this out. So convert to editable poly. So let's just slightly push this inside. Select this edges, slightly give a bit of chamfer. Click OK. So push this till here, and let's again duplicate it and push this down over here in this way. Now what we can do over here is like, I'll again go over here and I'll take a big box over here. All of this, let's take a box. So let's just take a box. So I'll just convert to poly. Let's put one swift loop. Shuffle this down. Push it out. Slightly adjust it in this way. So if you see this, let's just duplicate this from now only, so that would be easy for us to adjust on the other side also. So let's again go over here and let's mirror it, make a copy of it in y-axis and just push over here. So keep it in this way. Select this, again mirror it and copy this over here. So again I'll shuffle this till here if required. I'll just keep some space. I'll select this polygons and I'll just push this over here. So whatever details we want to generate over here, we'll be generating those details over here. So very first of all, again put one more swift loop over here in this way. So let's go into the side view and again take a line. So there are multiple details over here to be generated. So let's off this over here. Select this. So select the vertices. Again go into this and let's give the fillet. So we'll be slightly adjusting the fillet over here and let's give an extrude modifier. So we'll be just defining some thickness over here. Push this up over here. So select the vertices, adjust this, push it up. So convert to editable poly. Again go into this. Let's again take a cylinder and create a cylinder. Convert to poly. Let's slightly give a bit of inset. Again give inset and extrude a bit. Click OK. So definitely we need to create the details over here. We'll be generating those details. So select this polygons. Slightly bevel it if required. Push this down. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's again go over here. Adjust this in this way. Adjust it in this way. So if any doubts, please put it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.